Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. To get started, I went ahead and gave you guys a little table of contents. To get started, I do like to show you guys how the unit looks with it not being on my head, how it looks fresh out the box, so that you guys know what to expect when you order, if you order. But to get started, I went ahead and I customized the unit. You don't have to. As you can see, this is how the hairline looks. I went ahead and I just did a little bit of plucking just to make it something that I could really fall in love with and make it match my hairline. Next, here I am, faces beat, faces done, simple B I should say. So I went ahead and I'm actually using a unit from Hairvivi. It is their fake scalp method. Now I really love this method. I know it was done before in the past by Miss Precious Marie, and honestly I love this entire idea. As you can see, I don't have to put makeup on my scalp. It looks completely real and natural, and honestly I cannot wait to actually really see how this feels and how comfortable it is. So to get started, this is a 360 lace frontal wig, as you all see, and I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the lace off. I'm pretty much mimicking my hairline, so I took off as much lace as possible, and you can see it looks really great. It melts into my hairline and still looks flawless even without gel. So I need to go ahead and cut any piece off that is above my hair so that it fits perfect. I'm gonna use some Gotta Be Glued, and I'm only gonna put it towards the sections by my ears. Now, I don't really glue or gel most of the times. The top part of my head, if it lays super flat, which is always a great thing because then it takes off more stress off of my edges. Go ahead and tie this down for about 20 minutes. And then I went ahead and cut my sideburns, made it look natural. And now it's time to go ahead and pretty much style my hair. I did use a curling iron at first, but I do feel like you will need a hot comb. This curling iron did not get super hot, so that's why I had to end up going ahead and using a curling iron. I mean, a hot comb. Wow, guys, I'm so confused here. Next, I went ahead and I just straightened the hair. Now, I do want to remind you guys, this hair is straight out of the box, okay? This is how the hair looks when it's straight. It looks amazing. I just wanted it to be a little bit more bone straight. This is my end result of me installing the unit. Now, with this video, it's a little bit different. They did release these nice clip-on bangs, and at first, I was like, what the hell? You could wear the wig just like this, or you can go ahead and switch it up a little bit. They did do these clip-on bangs, and I was like, I am not feeling this idea. I'm not gonna lie, I was not open to it. But after doing it, I really love the idea. So you get two different bangs, what I did, and it's a thick bang, and you can see it has two clip-ons on the back. To get started, I am gonna brush my hair out first, and then I'm gonna just make sure the clip is open, scoop up a little bit of hair, and then really push the comb into the hair and do the same thing for the other side. Now, from here on out, it's just a matter of you styling it, flat ironing it. Do you want to pull it more up to the front of your hairline? Do you want to pull it more back? Do you like short bangs or you know, long bangs? Now, me, I like my bangs to be long, okay? I like it to be right over my eyes. So I do love this alternative because you can see I already have a second hairstyle. And all I started off with doing was a middle part. So absolutely love this. I do feel like this would be really cute if you're trying to do a ponytail. Here's my end result. Face is made up, face is done, and yeah, I really love it. So these are the full bangs. Hairvivi, you did a great job with this. I just want to say, because I really loved it once I really did it. My part is still there. It looks super natural. Now to take it off, just unclip it, and you still got a middle part. Now this hairstyle works perfect for the summertime, because if it gets too hot, you can go ahead and take the bangs off and put it on. It's much more easier to flat iron the bangs first before you put it on your hair. As you can see, I did this the first time. Now, I'm a fan of thin bangs. I'm not a fan of thick bangs. It reminds me, it's too heavy for my face, I feel like, but I love the thin bangs. Like this right here, girl, guy, whoever's watching this, I am going to be utilizing the hell out of these bangs. I love it. The thin ones are for me, okay? So this is my pretty much end result. And then I just use my edge control brush to comb it. I'm being super extra. But you can use a comb or whatever, and it just looks really nice. It blends in perfect. It doesn't look corny. It looks really, really, really cute. So this is my end result. How do you guys like this? I'm very curious to know if you guys are down for this, or if you're like, no, sis. Yes, sis. Let me know. Let me know down below. But I'm down for this. I will definitely be wearing this on a regular basis. Super, super, super duper in love. Very curious to know what you guys think down below. So this one might be my actual favorite because I love how thin and natural it looks. This is actually a look that I definitely would go for before I do the thick ones. Like this one to me is like every day, and the thick ones is like Saturday, Sunday, like the weekend kind of thing. But really, really, really love this look, and I love how I can just unclip it and change my wig, and I have 3 different looks that I just created. So definitely an idea.